Malaysia. And there you go.
Bagus
There
banget.
you go. And that's probably what the Indonesians are feeling at the moment, right? That's right. They're on the receiving end. But listen, you can't say things haven't gone their way. I mean, aside from the fact that Singapore took goals, you're in a semi-finals. Opposition down to 9 men.
Iya guys, bahaya ketinggalan tadi guys. Langsung jadi komentator.
But still, having said that, there's still plenty of time for them to get back into this game.
WB guys. Lagi ucap apa pencok.
Extra time. And it's a chance there.
WB.
WJ.
WJ. Salah lagi WJ. Wajarum.
There's still, having said that, there's still plenty of time for them to get back into this game.
Dipatahkannya lehernya. Apa gitu?
And it's a chance there. The save to be made. Indonesia. There looks to be a foul.